everybody, my name is Paige. I am Plumber Paige. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. Also, follow me on Instagram and like this video if you enjoy it. I just wanted to hop on here quick and just do like a little intro. I decided that I'm going to make a YouTube video out of this. Like everybody just goes through phases and that's okay, but this phase of unmotivation and laziness, I guess is the right word. I don't know, I've just been like in a slump, I guess is the right word. I need to change it. There's no more being sad. I gotta be happy. I gotta work for things. Ever since, I would probably say graduation, to be honest, right before that, when everything started not happening, I've just been in a slump and I've been trying my best to keep going, but I've let things get really bad. Well, not really bad, but for me it's really bad because I have a lot of like perfectionism, OCD, not actually, but like, you know what I mean. But anyway, I'm going to do a getting out of my slump, getting my life back together video. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's go. So this is the before of what my room and closet looks like. I don't know if anybody else has this problem, but I love organizing other people's things, but when it comes to my own, I'm very, very disorganized or unorganized. I don't know what the right word is, but as you can see, it's a horrible mess, and we're gonna fix that. Alright y'all, so this is Maggie, and she's sleeping over and helping me clean my room. We're pulling an all-nighter. Yep. So I don't have enough to say throughout this whole video, but I just wanted to say, like, there wasn't anything wrong with me, per se, throughout this period of unmotivation. I just could have been doing a lot more things, being productive and, getting my life together, but I obviously have changed because I have merch now, I have a book out, I'm going to college, I am doing things, and so yeah, this is just kind of to tell you guys that life isn't always perfect all the time, and people go through struggles, and I just want to make it noticeable and not like a cliche thing to talk about. Hello, today is the next day, and we stayed up till 2 in the morning. We stayed up till 2 in the morning last night cleaning, and we got a lot done, and like...
You got a lot done. I saw all my lazy ass talks to you.
Maggie just motivated me to stay focused because I can't do that. But there's a little bit more that I want to get done, and we might move my bed, but that seems like a lot of work. But that's the update. Okay guys, so hold on, I have a nose itch. Okay guys, so I'm in my bed right now and it's against the wall and I think that's pretty cool. I like how I reorganized my room and it's still messy. There's still a lot to clean up. But Maggie went home, I showered, relaxing because my wrist really hurts and hopefully I'll agree this, so I'm just chilling for a little bit. But I'm getting somewhere, so I'm happy about it. So I'm gonna be honest, those clips that you saw were like from 2 weeks ago and I had a birthday party and I just have been busy and doing a lot of things, so I never got to finishing cleaning my room. So I'm going to be finishing that today. As you can see, there's still a good amount to do, and yeah. So my room is pretty much finished. I'll give you guys a little tour. So I got rid of basically everything here. I still have to get rid of these bags, but we are selling and donating everything. And then I moved my bed, if you couldn't tell that already. I have this whole area so that I can play Just Dance. I still want to hang up these mirrors, and my dad said he would help me with that, but we'll get to that. That's just stuff that will go in the mirrors. And then I made like a new filing thing, so my workspace. I never actually use this desk. I always end up sitting in my bed and using this little lap desk that I just got. But I am hopeful now that I will start using the desk. So I just wanted to say this video is basically a reminder that sometimes, even though people look okay, there are things going on in their head and they're not okay, and it's supposed to be motivating. I want to tell you guys to keep going because you've got it. You're stronger than you think, so just keep working hard. I see it and I admire you all, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.